You guys, workout was so intense. I lost one of my earring in the process and didn't even realize. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm so stoked and I'm so excited because I took the plunge. I took the plunge and I created my fitness channel. I created my workout channel, and for everybody who has been asking me that, Mel, help us with workout, you guys have it now. You have it and I'm so excited. So go ahead and subscribe right now by the link down below. Subscribe to my workout channel. My workout channel is called Body After Baby, and I'll be sharing just about everything fitness on my workout channel. I'll be giving you wholeheartedly everything that I have. I'll be working out with you. That's a good thing about it. I'll be working out alongside you through the workouts, and my workouts are not long. They're like 20 minutes, but they're 20 minutes of intense workout that anybody can do, and it's right down my alley because I have so much passion for working out. I do it daily, so why not go ahead and share with you how I get my results. So I'll be sharing my workout with you, working alongside you. I'll be sharing you guys recipes of what I eat every day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So that would be awesome. So go ahead and support your girl and follow me on Instagram at Body After 2 Baby, and that's BODYAFTER, the number 2 baby. That's my Instagram handle. But to find me on YouTube, it's BODY space after FATER space baby, BABY. So go ahead and show me all the support. Even if you're not into fitness, subscribe and share and support your girl. And I'm so happy for you guys to be on this journey with me. Anyway, you guys, it's Friday around here and the kids are hanging around while mama get her stuff done. So I'm going to go ahead and get the day going, make my green juice, and let's go. Can you say morning to the fans, baby? Morning. Why are you excited?
Because tomorrow I'm going to the beach.
You guys here? Are you ready? Are you ready for beach? Are you? And you guys haven't seen me all day. I have been so busy, you guys have no idea. I have been working so hard to launch my new channel, which is my workout channel, and I finally accomplished to reach where I want to reach with it in terms of uploading my first video and my intro and creating the channel in a day. So I've accomplished that, so I feel pretty proud, and to say the least, it's up and running. So please go ahead and subscribe to Body After Baby and keep up with everything that I'll be doing over there. The coolest thing about my workout channel is that you're literally like working out with me face to face. That's the coolest thing I like about it, because I do the workout with you guys step by step, encouragement, motivation, and all. And that's what I love about that channel. With all that said, after I feel like I've accomplished enough on that, I got up and I cleaned. So I got the house all fresh and stuff like that. Now I'm in the kitchen while the kids watching TV and playing. Sarah's in her chair. I have to make sure that whenever my eyes is not focused on Sarah 24/7, that she's in her chair. And the reason for that is she is a little climber, she is a little walker, she's a little warrior. Listen, I can't take my eyes off her for 2 seconds, or else she's in something or putting something in her mouth. So whenever I'm super multitasking, she have to stay strapped in her chair. So she's in her chair while her brother is playing around her. While I am in the kitchen and I'm preparing her lunch and dinner for a few days. And her lunch, which I'm cutting up right now, is going to be broccoli, sweet potato, Mama, and beef mince.
Paper beads
You
right
tell
here.
me you were cutting it up, so please go and throw it in the bin. And be more careful. Okay?
Oh.
Okay?
Okay, Mama.
That will be Sarah's lunch for a few days. Now for her dinner for a few days is gonna be broccoli, carrot, and zucchini. And then I'm going to jump straight into dinner for the fam. It's Friday. I didn't have any intention of cooking, but I don't know what time babe coming home with pizza. So I'm going to cook just in case. Tyler can't wait because he did say he wants pizza. So if babe reach home too late and Ty can't wait, then I'll give him whatever I cook. So I'm going to cook chicken liver and Tyler have some rice in the fridge for backup. But for babe and I think I'm going to do some broccoli and some corn and carrots. And that should be dinner for the family. How about you, girl, on this Friday? I know by the time you're watching this is not Friday. But on a Friday, is there something specific that you enjoy having? If I was in Jamaica, I know for a fact, without a doubt, that I would be going to the jerk man. So should I just jerk chicken, cook and jerk chicken today? That's what I should do. But I love making festival mix and I'm out of festival mix. So I need to order some festival mix online. But that's okay. All the better. I won't get any cheat meal today. Maybe tomorrow. You know, on the weekend, at least one day out of the weekend, I like to have a cheat meal. Whether it's Friday, Saturday. It's normally Friday or Saturday, one of the 2 days. But anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys and thank you guys for all the support on my new adventure with my workout channel. Appreciate the love. And now you guys haven't seen the babies all day, have you?
Except me.
Except you, right?
Yes.
So let's go see Sarah.
Watching the TV.
Hi, princess. Ha! Ha! Mama strap you though, little warrior. Mama strap you. Mama strap you. Yes, Mama strap you. One of our fridge that I didn't look in, one of the freezer I didn't look in, I finally found mini pizza for Tyler, so he's happy. So he asked for mini pizza and fries, so menu automatically changed for him. Menu suddenly changes. Fibs, why you crying? Look. Tell them why you're crying. Look at her mouth. She doesn't want me to put her down, that's why she's crying. You have money in your pocket? Where's your money? Fix your mouth. She's miserable.
Peekaboo! 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 Peekaboo!
Sarah no slapping.
Wow! That's really tall. You almost can be bigger than me. Always bigger than.
Your son brother is making too much noise. That's what she said. Tyler, stop the shouting right now. Exactly. Tyler is too loud. Tyler. Yes.
Sarah. What's wrong? You want toys? Here, they're not toys. Here, they're all for you. Come cry.
Don't put them up on her, you know.
Okay, but they're all beside her. With that. With that. With that. With that little girl.
You guys, this is one is feeling miserable for the past hour. So I gotta multitask. Finally finished cooking and that's dinner. Chicken liver, corn, carrots, and broccoli. Bingo, winning. And he finished eat his pizza. And what you eating now?
Try.
So why you jiggling like that?
It's just that I'm happy now that I can lift up things very heavy. Like this, look.
You are too funny. Put it down before you throw in the fries. And that's not heavy. That's actually light. Anyway, you guys, it's grub time. Look at these two like they're on the beach. Sarah is so relaxed. She's just having the time of her life right now. Like she's on the beach somewhere chilling. You two are funny. The sweet man is home. Hard-working husband is home. And he went to the supermarket before he got home. So I had sent him the list and stuff. So it's time for the supermarket to go. Alright, let's go. Olympio. And what is Olympio?
Laugh at me, make me pee pee only food I do.
No, it doesn't make you pee pee. You don't drink this. It's only for mama and papa. When you're in bed at night. And when you're having barbecue outside.
We can drink it at that time?
Hmm?
We can drink it.
No, don't hold me. Not you. Me and papa. Okay, let's go. Why babe have 2 pack of egg?
Egg.
Hold on. Ah? Okay, you have a plan. Babe look like he's gonna bake this.
Yogurt. Spinach.
Stop! What is this? It's minced beef, not spinach. What's this? Hurry!
Rooster, I mean chicken.
Oh, that's something that somebody loves. Come on.
Yay! Bread!
It's filled with chocolate bread. Chicken seasoning.
Stop. Wait, Mama.
What is this?
I want to pee.
Go, hurry. Finish pee.
Yes.
This one.
Have the biscuit.
This one.
Quinoa. Yay!
His favorite happy biscuit. He loves the one with the chocolate on the outside. Oh,
Pizza.
mini pizza.
So what is 2-pack? Oh.
Lettuce.
Crab.
Gosh. Where you get crab from? What's this?
Escargot.
No. Ish. It's a snail. It's shrimp. You're so funny. Hurry.
Rooster.
It's nugget. This. Babe, why you pick up this little baby rice? Okay.
White bread for a picnic.
Almond.
Cashew.
No, peanut, this one. Cereal for
Everybody.
it's for mama.
And for Papa. And for me.
Chocolate chip.
So why it's been chocolate and blue?
More lettuce. What is this?
Bow and ketchup. Where's a big pack of ketchup?
Why is that big pack of ketchup? Why are you speaking like that? Stop speaking like that. Chicken seasoning. I forget to buy soup for you. Noodle soup.
Oh.
I think only one remain or none remain. Oh la la, none remain. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul for this week.
Whoa.
Can you tell it's just 1 week worth of things? Yeah. Bye.
Bye.